Afternoon, everybody. Today's failure, it's a Fisher plow pump unit. What we had is a critical failure of the gearbox, not the gearbox, the gear pump. For some reason, the pump self-destructed. The bushing driving it looks fine. The motor appears to be fine. The gear itself looks like it cracked right down up against the keyway. So I'm not sure if it was a torque failure. Could be a manufacturing failure. Not really sure. Everybody on the internets was suggesting that my problem was electrical related. Yeah. So the fastest way was just to check all the electrical connections, make sure the solenoids were operating properly. What my symptom was is that the pump stopped working suddenly and then was able to spin the motor. The motor would spin. The motor sounded like when you run a starter on a test bench. It didn't sound like it had any load on it at all. Changing the fluid didn't help. Checking the filter, the first thing to check I thought was the filter and the filter mounting to make sure it hadn't come loose. And the repair for this one was from Fisher. It is a brand new pump. And the best part about the kit, where's the kit number here? Let's wiggle the box all over the place. It's a 2151 K-1. And that kit includes all the O-rings, all the gaskets, a new filter. Essentially all the parts and pieces you're really going to want to replace when you're replacing a hydraulic pump. Another point of note is I'm going to check through the 3 solenoid screens to see if there's any damage or where that little keyway went to. It couldn't have been gone long before the pump failed, so it may have fallen out during disassembly. But yeah, I mean the pump looks fine. I don't know if I can get in close enough, but there doesn't appear to be any scoring or wear on the pump itself. So it's not like the pump jammed up. And the only function that was being called upon when it failed was to angle left when the plow was up off the ground. So again, I'm not sure why this failed. I've been running Fisher pumps from anywhere. The belt drives, the electric drives, the SEHPs, the Insta-act units. I've run Myers and Western, although Western now is a Fisher product, but that's fine. Yeah, I've never actually seen a hydraulic pump for a plow fail like this. I'm going to say it's a first. And so anyway, we're going to get to it. We're going to check out the screens, and we're going to see what we can find for any debris just to double check, and then we're going to stick it together with a brand new pump. Anyway, hopefully, I might do a follow-up video. Who knows? We'll see you. Bye.